welcome to my channel Lahari Codes. Today we are starting something exciting. 100 is Java challenge. In this challenge we will learn Java from beginners to advanced level. We will cover basic concepts, core Java, placement questions and real-time projects. And every day I will upload one video. Each video will be only 5 to 8 minutes. So it will be very easy for you to learn daily without getting bored. Also, I post Python shorts daily where concepts are explained in a quick and easy to understand way. So if you are interested, you can check those videos as well. Now let's not waste time. Let's start installing Java. First go to Google and search for Java JDK download. Open the official website and download the latest version. Just follow the steps carefully. Java will be installed successfully. Also, if you don't want to install now, you can use online compilers from Google to practice Java. Once installation is done, we are ready to start coding. In the next video, we will start Java from basics and write our first program. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.